guys, welcome back to my channel What's Happening. I'm Abhishek Mohan and now let's check the top 5 things that happened today in our world. At number 1, it was 88th Indian Air Force Day. The Indian Air Force celebrated its 88th anniversary today. A grand parade cum investiture ceremony was held in Air Force Station in Hindon near Delhi. The Indian Air Force came into force in 1932 as Royal Indian Air Force. The name was changed into Indian Air Force in 1950. According to Air Chief Marshal Rakesh Kumar Singh Bhadoria, the addition of Rafale, Chinook and Apache aircrafts have increased their combat capability. PM Modi also extended his greetings to the brave warriors of Indian Air Force. Moving on to number 2, a Kerala journalist and 3 others charged under anti-terror law. Siddiq Kapan, a 41-year-old Delhi-based journalist who writes for Malayalam news websites, was arrested by UP police in a Mathura toll plaza. According to UP police, the person had links with Popular Front of India and its students' organization CFI and was charged under sedition. In my opinion, why they were arrested? It's simple. They were traveling to Hathras. I mean, what is happening in this country? Does the media have no right here? All the 4 of them were charged with UAPA on Wednesday. The Kerala Union of Working Journalists protested against this arrest. The Press Club of India has also released a statement saying that Kapan should be released very soon. At number 3, first US vice presidential debate took place today. The first vice presidential debate was very different from the presidential debate. There were no constant interruptions or flashes of temper. Pence was typically calm and was a counterpart to Trump's aggression. The first part of the debate was coronavirus pandemic, and without surprise, Kamala Harris was on the attack and Pence on the defense. Harris's sharpest line was citing the statistics: 210,000 American deaths. She also charged Trump administration with ineptitude and incompetence. Neither candidate spent much time on the fact that White House now has become a coronavirus hotspot, which of course was a great miss for Kamala Harris. And later, racism issues and climate change were also discussed. Moving on to number 4, Rahul Gandhi wants China and criticizes Modi. Rahul Gandhi has said that he would have thrown Chinese troops out of Indian territory in just 15 minutes if his party was in power. He was addressing a gathering at Anaj Mandi in Haryana's Kurukshetra. He is currently touring Punjab and Haryana as part of his Kheti Bachao Yatra. Rahul Gandhi even called PM Modi a coward, as he has not yet accepted that China has taken our land. He also commented that India is the only country where another country came in and took 1,200 square kilometers of land. At number 5, let's check some COVID-19 stats. Worldwide COVID-19 cases are standing at 36.2 million, with US on top with 7.58 million cases, followed by India at 6.84 million cases. 78,524 new cases and 971 deaths were reported in India in the past 24 hours. That's it guys. If you found this video informative, don't forget to drop me a like and subscribe to my channel for more future videos. Take care.